Agasngi ke baar jong ke dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ke yang dorbar Tauan ke Jela Meghalaya, Menteri Berdaipet ya kenat Public Health Engineering Marcus N. Marak. Abajubab ya ke jengkeli jong MLA ke seng UDP ubak sensyar ku par Roy Lingdo thaba ke bedai bat ke yang ke sem ki bahak bapok ke skim Jal Jivan Mission dan JJM ulaong ba ki Tyllong bala aish ke yang hapok ke skim JJM ki dai ki na ki wa bat na ki bala kesam na pok kendau. Ula pentip ru bagi sorkar kala syemru ya kisien jam ban penki embiang ya kita long Abajubab ya ka jingkeli Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ki sangma ula pentip baladap Mang laispa saupo sau Klur Tyngka na ke Bynta banyada ya kita long jong ki Tyllli ki Wahbah Kongsan kata ka wa yo ha East Castles District bat ka wa ganal hari luom garo.
State water policy. When the Jal Jivan review was held in Shillong and the Honourable Minister had come, he had mentioned about the model that Meghalaya has adopted, which is a holistic approach towards ensuring that water supply is given in a sustainable manner to the people, which means not just the pipe connection but also the source. So having said that, to reply specifically to the questions that were raised by the Honourable Minister, by the Honourable members, so there are multiple projects going on today to conserve water.